Hello guys. So as per the weekly analysis, I told goes from the low here. So we can anticipate price to take this equal highs. From the daily, I have the bullish bias. If I have the bullish bias, what price did? Gold took this low, but uh, but there is in silver we have SMT. So we can anticipate this is a continuation signature expansion consolidation. Price took the low. Now we can expect some kind of continuation move to the upside. So from the 4 hour, what do we have? 4 hour, we form the SMT at the lows, and we took this, we took the low here, and on the ACR we form the reversal. So I am anticipating this low is the low of the day, and the 1 a.m. candle should expand. This is my anticipation. Now, if we come to the 1 hour, what do we have? On the 1 hour, price came to this 50% of this range, and now it is reversing from here. How it is reversing? It swept the previous candle low on 3 a.m. Now it is expanding. So my first target is this high, and our final target is this equal highs. If you see, these are equal highs. So this is the final target for today. And how did I take entry here? I took entry. First entry was when price formed this swing point. When this candle close inside this candle range, I supposed to take entry on this candle on 3 minute time frame, but I can't get a chance to execute it here. This is the first entry at this area, but I came to the chart late and I missed this move. So on the 5 minute, what do we have? 5 minute, we have the CSID with V-shape reversal. If you see, price came down, take the short-term low. Now it reverse. So this signature is enough. It's tailing the momentum as well as the fair value gap showing you the directions. Okay, now we can anticipate price can move to the upside. So I took entry here. On this M5 fair value gap, and I market executed this trade. I got filled little bit up, and that is not good field. Though we have the target on the upside, so it is better to take entry than totally miss it for the few pips. So I kept the stop loss below this lows, below this order block low. This is the 5 minute order block. This is my invalidation. Now, if price retrace to this fair value gap and it is expanding, I don't want price to retrace all the way down again, then continue to push up. So this will be the invalidation. If price will take this high, then I look to trail my stop loss below this low. So this is the whole idea, and I kept the target at 2 hour because today is Monday. I don't want to target all the way up. Though we have the clear target. See, if you see, these are the clear target. These are all failure swing with the equal highs. So I can look to hold the trade up to this highs. It will depend. This is the trade uh, what I have taken already. But this move was the very good move. I missed this one. I supposed to market executed it here, and see, up to this target we already have 2.72 hour, and now market is up almost 2 hour. So I was waiting for this trade, from the morning, from the 1 a.m. I was monitoring the chart, but I just got distracted for few seconds here, and see what happened. I missed the move and I got filled little bit up. So this is what happened with me today. Okay, I'll keep you updated what will happen on the next video. Thank you. Hello guys, I repositions myself here. Still entry is little bit far. It's supposed to be here at this order block, but I market executed it, filled me up there. So yeah, feel is quite bad. Also, I'm targeting this high. The ultimate target is this equal highs are here. Okay, but I'll not definitely going to hold this trade. I executed one trade here, but see, this is quite, quite choppy price action. This is not expansion, we are seeing it here. So why did I executed the trade here? Because we have SMT. If you come to the 30-minute chart, let's come to the 4-hour chart. So what I am expecting, I explained we already formed the reversal at one, at the Asia. So I was expecting this 1 a.m. to expand, but if you see this retracement is big retracement. Here also we are seeing the big retracement. So this is not something I am liking here. If you'll come to, so we are, though we are expecting the 50% of this candle, so I am also expecting this 5 a.m. to expand. The main thing, which is catching my eyes are these equal highs. That's why I executed this trade. If you'll come to the 30-minute, so gold took, this low, but silver didn't. So that's why we have the SMT here. And I am targeting these highs. Can you see the stack highs? So these are so clear highs. That's why I executed the trade again. And if you see here also we have the equal highs. So that's what led me to, took the trade again, reposition myself because this is my model. This is my model because I want swing formation on M30 or H1 if I am expecting bullish price action. So this is what it formed from here. We took the low, we formed the order block. Now price is expanding. I literally want price should go and take this highs. And this is what I am expecting here. Let's see what will happen. I'll keep you updated. Hello guys. Let's analyze the today's price action of the gold. You can see this is what we anticipated this one on the weekly outlook also. I was bullish on I was bullish the on the gold for today, and gold delivered beautifully. But unfortunately, I did some mistakes also. I closed my position early, and this is what happened when I exited the trade. So let's see what happened today. Let me close this indicator. Okay, so we are anticipating this 1 a.m., 5 a.m. candle to expand. 1 a.m. candle is a rejection candle, and the 5 a.m. expanded, also 9 a.m. expanded well. So I executed two positions on 1 a.m. as well as the 5 a.m. candle, but price expanded and I closed these positions because it was not expanding the way I was expecting. So on the 1 hour, eh, on the yeah here on this candle on the 7 a.m. open, here I executed one trade on this candle, and here also I executed one trade. So you on the 5 minute. So this trade is a win, but I close this position. I close this position where at here at this area when price took a deep retracement to this order block, which is not supposed to do this deep retracement during the expansion, and it expanded when price already taken the liquidity and it expanded, but it failed to took these highs. Also, there was no SMT with the silver, and it retraced heavily. And here I closed my trade manually on the MT5 because I didn't feel we need to retrace again. So this was all this consolidation was just a manipulation to build more liquidity. And here I close my trade, and this is what happened after the closing. Price expanded as I told you. We are expecting to target this equal highs here because I was so convinced this price will go up, and but the way it went was not that satisfying. Okay, so this is the first trade I do. And why I took this second one? Because we have again, when I closed this trade, so I had no loss for the day. So I thought, let's execute one more trade. I saw here we have SMT with the silver on this 7 a.m. open. While this candle were forming, it has the small wick and the large body. So I went to the 3 minute chart, and here I executed the trade as I explained in earlier video. Okay, but what happened? Price went all the way down, all the way up to this high, and see it rejected by a pip again. So when price was, price already expanded this high, so it is not worthy to, take the full loss. So I kept my stop loss at break even, and price eventually came and took me here. So this is also a break even trade, two break even trade here. And here what I have done mistake in both trades, I did mistake. How? Because this trade also I executed late. I supposed to execute the trade here, this area. This is the this is the right area to take trade. Okay, but I executed late. And what happened? Price went how much? It's went 2.15 bar. Just think, I executed the wrong area, and I have to suffer with all of this price action because my psychology was heated by my error. I got filled up high. That's why I have to hold my trade, to get the 2 hour out of it. If I have executed, on the right area, I could have taken one win, and I am out of the day. But so this is what happened. Okay, on the second trade also the same thing happened. I was out. I was not monitoring the chart that time, but when I came, I saw this candle was forming, and we already closed above this down close candle. So I supposed to execute it here and kept my stop loss here. If you see, this is how much RR, 2.6 RR. Price already went. So my target was 2 hour. This one also a win. Okay. Here also I have done execution mistake. That's why I have to suffer. Uh, and I took break even today. This two trade was good. And but the real expansion, let's study how this expansion happened. This all expansion. This is the actual move for the day. This is just a consolidations. This is the actual move. I was looking for this move. I told in earlier video, these are clean equal highs. I want price to just gravitate towards it. See how price gravitated. Can you see this? So let's study how I could have re-enter here, or how could I have taken trade here. So if you come to the 1 hour chart, what do we have here? If you see, this is the 5 a.m. open. Okay. What we need swing point formation. See, this is what happened. This is the 5 a.m. open. In 1 hour, there is no swing point. So this candle took this candle low. Okay. Do we have any kind of SMT here? Yeah, we have SMT. From here to here, we have SMT. Okay. So this was what? This is a reversal into expansion candle. So let's see if there is anything on 30 minute. We have it or not, because we need to monitor this two time frame at once. Okay, because in 30 minutes there will be a reversal formed already, but 1 hour needs to 1 hour need additional 30 minutes to close. So let's see 30 minutes. Okay, while we are forming this, this SMT, we can anticipate this candle to expand. Why? Because due to the swing formation, we are below the short term low. Also, this low are already taken in the silver. So we can expect to take trade on this candle, this expansion candle. How? If you come to the 3 minute chart, we just need to confirm the reversal. Okay, see here the reversal confirmed. This is the down close candle. Down close candle get engulfed here. Okay, so here is the trade. Here is the entry, and this is the stop loss. And see the move. This is what I was expecting on these two trades. This is the equal highs. The clear 3 or 4 are, yeah, like clear 3 hour move. And this type of move will not impact your mind. This type of move will impact your mind. Like consolidation, then again expansion. You will come and check the chart. That's what I was doing. I was constantly watching the chart, and I do work. So I come to the chart. I see when price is moving in the favor. I feel, yeah, now it will start moving. I start moving. When it is retracing this hard, you don't like. I don't want to see this type of retracement against your trade, because our expectation is to trade expansion. If price wants to expand, why it is consolidating? So this is not supposed to happen, but we don't know what will happen after our entry. But our expectation was to catch this type of move, and this is the move on the 3 minute. Let's see the 5 minute, how we could have re-entered the trade if we missed the 30 minute. Then let's say this is the 1 hour swing point already formed, and this is the 9 a.m. candle. Okay, if you come to the 4 hour, this is expansion candle. We have still drawn liquidity intact, so we can expand the 9 a.m. to expand. So how we could take entry on the 9 a.m.? If you come to the 1 hour, 1 hour we have nothing. See, 1 hour, this is the candle 2. So 9:30 open, 9 is already opening within the swing point. This is a fractal model. This is candle 1, candle 2, this is candle 3. We can directly, we don't have to wait for another swing formation. We can directly come to the 5 minute or 3 minute and just wait for change in state of delivery. See, this is what happened. 9 a.m. open, came down to this fair value gap, and price closed above. Here could have been the entry. So if you are expecting expansion, this is what we are expecting. Can you see the week of 9 a already formed? Now you want expansion. Price clearly expanded to the highs, or this is previous week highs, and still we have daily range intact. You can target. This is your daily range, average daily range. Can you see the move? Like beautiful move. But I missed it. So I already executed the true trade. I was not interested to again re-enter here. My target for the day was just these clean highs, just these equal highs. But this is what price did. If I didn't close this, close this, then it would have been a 2 hour. But this is in my plan to go break even. If we see this consolidation break even, consolidation retracement, because see this move, this 2 hour move. When you enter, price expanded. Here also I show you. When you enter, price expanded. This is what we are expecting. Here also. Here also. When I enter, price expanded. It moved to 2 hour, but I did mistake here. So today was a very good date for the for the gold. And yeah, this is a learning, note taking day. I can say some execution mistakes are there, some psychological mistake are there, and also I was not that focused because yesterday night I had not that good sleep, so it affected my decision making here. Yeah, no issue. We will try to not repeat this mistake again. We'll try to stay focused during the executions, because we are on 3 minute and 5 minute, and we are executing the market orders. If you see, there is no retest. If you see, there is no retest. Only when there is a change of state of delivery, price is rarely retesting to the other order block. So we have to execute market order. So we need good feel. If I'll do, I'll execute late, then this is what I have to suffer. Okay. So this is what price action we have for the gold. Was a beautiful price action, small wick, large body, very good price action on the gold.